How to reset iPhone. Resetting your iPhone to its factory default settings may help you fix problems with it, such as freezing or glitching. You should also reset your iPhone if you want to sell it or give it away so that all of your personal data is removed from it. When you reset your iPhone to factory settings, it will be restored to the default configuration it had when you first acquired it. It won't have any contacts, playlists, photos, password memories, or other data you've added since then. To avoid losing any crucial data, you should back up all of your data before you start the process of resetting your iPhone. You can use your backup to restore your iPhone once it has been reset. With or without a password, follow these instructions to factory reset your iPhone. But first, make sure your data is saved up. Please be aware that some apps have different backup systems, so be sure if you are using an app very much that you are doing a backup for that particular data. It's important to sign out of your Apple ID if you're getting rid of your phone, so no one else can access your account. You can do this by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and tap your name and Apple ID at the top of the screen. At the very bottom of this page, tap Sign Out. If you want just to reset your iPhone, you can do the following. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. At the bottom of the General page, tap Transfer and Reset iPhone. To factory reset your iPhone, tap Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue to confirm you want to erase the iPhone. On the next screen, enter your passcode. Your iPhone will then create an iCloud backup. If you've already made a backup, tap Skip Backup at the bottom. Let the iCloud backup finish or tap Skip Backup if you've already made one. Enter your Apple ID password and then tap Turn Off in the top right corner. This will turn off Find My and Activation Lock. Finally, tap Erase iPhone to delete all content and settings. This could take a few minutes, depending on how much you have stored on your iPhone, but once the deletion is completed, your device will restart as new. This is how you reset your iPhone. If you stayed until the end, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Also, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more tech videos. Have a great day.